Okay, room tour, Flamingo, room 12076. We got a Flamingo room. We took the lobby elevators. There are two sets of elevators here, the lobby elevators and the habitat. These are the lobby elevators, strip view. Let's take a look. So the first thing about these rooms that you're gonna see is they're so fresh and bright and beautiful. This is the refreshed rooms, the Flamingo rooms. Look at this bathroom. Gorgeous lighting. Love this backdrop here. Look at that. You have a makeup mirror. These here, I guess you could just put some like small toiletries in there, or I don't know, anything you want. They even decorate the tissue box, so cute. I want to step back so you can see the size of the bathroom here. It's really good size, plenty of counter space and space underneath. So what I'll do is consolidate some of the towels and then put some stuff under there. Nice shower. Really nice walk-in. Now these showers, yeah, so this doesn't move. So you're gonna need that right there. We really have never had like issue of the bathroom getting drowning wet, but it does get a little bit. There's a cubby here for some things. Everything is pump and a rain shower. Totally suitable. Over here is your closet. This is where your iron and ironing board is, luggage rack. As you can see, we like to use this for storage. And then you have some drawers here, maybe for your handbag or some extra little things, and storage up top. Plenty of space here. Again, we're traveling a long time. We need a lot of room for luggage and things like that. And we're gonna have it here once we finish bringing our things in and organizing. Nice big mirror here. And it also gives the room the feel of more space. Gosh, I just love what they've done with these rooms. We got two queens, as always. We may use one of those beds for luggage if we need to. We may not, who knows, we'll see. Just adorable artwork. Grays, white, pink. And then this is really great here. Just touch of turquoise with your flamingo lamp. I like flamingos, everybody knows that. More storage here. And then let's get to the charger situation. So phone charger, you got USBs here, a couple regular plugs. I'll kind of zoom in so you can see what you've got. And then on the side, each side of this, you have additional USB, USB-C rather, a couple plugs here. Same deal on this side. The lamp, you can have half of it on for nighttime if you just want to relax. You can have both lights on in there if you want to. The beds here are so comfy. Big TV, plenty of space up here. There's your ice bucket and everything. And here is the amazing part about the Flamingo that you just do not see anymore on the Strip. Fridge, and guess what? This one is brand spanking new. It still has like some glue kind of in there. So, mini fridge, great. Big safe, some more storage here. What do we have over here? Yep, more storage. I noticed something this year that I've never seen here before, and I want to point it out because I think it's a nice touch. Right here, 20% off coupon at Bugsy & Myers. That place gets the best reviews, and then there's the team member's name that left this here. I think that's a great touch, great steak dinner, and Bugsy & Myers is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Even if you just want to go hang out at the bar, I don't know if that coupon applies there. Anyway, some great kind of retro artwork here of kind of old school Flamingo. I love it. Here's a little table and chairs with a lamp, floor to ceiling, windows, and a view you guys like you wouldn't believe. I'm going to show you in a minute. More storage here. We're going to be using a lot of that. Before I show you the beautiful view, you got some more plug going on over here. You even have auxiliary all sorts of stuff going on there. So you're not gonna have any trouble plugging in your devices. There's some more over here and probably even more that I missed. Check out this view. It's gonna be a little hard to see during the day. Caesars, right smack across the street. Beautiful fountains. This view at night is so gorgeous. Omnia nightclub, Caesars, what is that called, where they have the concerts over there? Forget. And then up here, what do you think that is? There's your Bellagio Fountains. Let's see if we can, there they are. So when I tell you how gorgeous this is at night, I want to add one thing, maybe more for the ladies. This Flamingo sign here, when it's lit up at night, it casts a really pretty hue of pink across the room. You guys may not care about that. I think it's a really nice touch, and it's actually really soothing and relaxing. So that's gonna do it. That's our room tour. Flamingo.